Hi, my name is Patrick Ball. Welcome to Guitar Gems. This YouTube channel is devoted to those who dare to dream, to reinvent themselves. Go back to what you loved to do as a child. For me, it was learning to play the guitar. I never did it as a youngster. You've heard it said it's never too late to learn something new, so I did. At 56 years old, with no music training or having ever played an instrument, I began practicing guitar. I started on this acoustic. At first, the basic chords, D, A, E, G. Man, was that tough. Honestly, it took me 6 months to play those chords consistently. D, A, E, and G. Now, the challenge is, how do you learn to coordinate all of this with the picking hand and the fretting hand and do it in time as you make the transitions? That's what I'm going to start to cover in these video segments. This is for beginners. I've devoted my career to education. For over 27 years, I served the nonprofit sector in various capacities at the Gemological Institute of America, teaching the art and science of gemology. The question I have is this: is education a bag of tricks? Not in my experience. I'm dedicating Guitar Gems to the skill development of playing guitar. Why? Well, it's simple. Experience has taught me you can teach yourself anything provided you're willing to fail. But first, we must get rid of that awful word fail and start thinking like Thomas Edison. You've heard the story. Edison was most famous for what? Inventing the incandescent bulb. Well, do you know Edison failed over 10,000 times to get the right combination of filament, vacuum, glass to make that bulb work? Well, a young reporter came to Mr. Edison one day and says, "Mr. Edison, how does it feel to have failed over 10,000 times at anything?" Edison stopped and thought about it for a minute, and he said, "Let me tell you something, and please don't ever forget this. I have not failed. I've successfully found 10,000 ways that will not work." Now, that's a difference of attitude, I'd say. So join me in my journey. We will review guitar tips together, practice guitar, and uncover the gems that a devoted student of skill development needs to progress at any level. That's it for this issue of Guitar Gems. Now, here's today's Thought for the Day from Albert Einstein. Wisdom is not a product of schooling, but of a lifelong attempt to acquire it. Thanks for watching. This is Patrick Ball. See you in the next episode of Guitar Gems.